4 lazy online side hustles that make $1,000 a day. Making $1,000 a day might sound like a dream, but with these lazy side hustles, it's more achievable than ever. The key is consistency, smart marketing, and finding a side hustle that aligns with your interests. Get started today, and you could soon be making passive income with minimal effort. In today's digital age, it's never been easier to make money online, even while staying in the comfort of your home. If you are looking for side hustles that require minimal effort, yet have the potential to bring in over $1,000 a day, then you are in luck. Here are 4 easy online side hustles that you can start today with little investment or time commitment. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online without a lot of effort. The idea is simple. Promote products from other companies, and whenever someone makes a purchase using your unique referral link, you earn a commission. Many affiliate marketers easily make over $1,000 a day once they are established a solid strategy. How to get started? Join affiliate programs such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share a Sale. Choose a niche you are passionate about. Promote products on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Number 2. Drop shipping. Dropshipping allows you to sell products online without needing to handle inventory. When a customer places an order on your store, the product is shipped directly from a supplier, meaning you never need to see or store the items yourself. With the right marketing techniques and product selection, this can turn into a profitable venture. How to get started? Set up an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Find suppliers on the platforms like AliExpress or Oberlo. Start running Facebook or Instagram ads to drive traffic to your store. Print on demand. If you ever wanted to sell custom designed merchandise without managing stock or shipping, print on demand is perfect for you. With platforms like Printful or Redbubble, you can upload your own designs and they will handle everything else, from printing to delivery. How to get started? Create unique designs for t-shirts, mugs, or posters. Set up your store on platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or directly on Printful. Promote your designs via social media or influencers to generate traffic and sales. Number 4. YouTube automation. Running a YouTube channel can be a lucrative side hustle. But what if you don't want to be on camera? With YouTube automation, you can outsource content creation, editing, and even voiceovers, allowing you to sit back and manage the channel without putting in much effort. How to get started? Choose a profitable niche. Tech reviews, lifestyle tips, or other more. Outsource content creation through platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Monetize your channel with ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsorships once you gain enough subscribers and views. In today's digital age, the opportunity to make money online has never been more accessible. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, start a side hustle, or even create a full-time career, the internet offers countless ways to generate income from anywhere in the world. From freelancing and selling digital products to creating content on social media or starting an e-commerce store, the possibilities are endless. What makes online income particularly appealing is the flexibility it provides. You can work on your terms, set your schedule, and choose projects that align with your skills and passions. Additionally, many online income streams like affiliate marketing, blogging, or selling courses have the potential to become passive income sources over time, allowing you to earn money while you sleep. With the right mindset, effort, and strategy, anyone can tap into the vast potential of the digital economy and achieve financial independence. Making money online is a viable and exciting opportunity for anyone willing to put in the time and effort. The digital landscape offers countless ways to earn, from active projects like freelancing and e-commerce to passive income streams such as affiliate marketing and content creation. With the persistence, creativity, and smart planning, you can unlock the potential of online income and take control of your financial future. Whether you're looking for additional income or aiming to create a full-time career, the internet provides the tools and opportunities to achieve your goals and enjoy greater freedom and flexibility in your life. Please don't forget to join us in our Passive Income Pioneer channel. Like and subscribe to see our new videos.